So if you are looking for franchisee in automobile, stay connected with us till the end, understand about the opportunity, because it is very important for you to understand, because end of the day you are going to take the call. And the brand which I'm going to talk about, name of the brand is Go Waterless. For speaking more about the presentation and about the franchisee opportunity, we have our guest, Mr. Shrikant from Go Waterless, founder and partner. So welcome, Shrikant, and thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much, Bandana, and thank you to Franchise Bazaar for giving me this opportunity. A very good afternoon and a very warm welcome and hi to everybody connecting from different platforms.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, just let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Shrikant Iyengar. I'm based out of Pune and I operate as founder partner for Go Waterless. If you quickly understand my background, I come from a mechanical engineering background as far as the qualification is concerned. I spent almost close to around 20 odd years in the automotive industry with the best of the brands and companies, and subsequently ventured into being an entrepreneur. That was I felt was my calling, and since 2016 I'm more like a serial entrepreneur and an investor into a couple of startups. And since last almost 7-8 months, I am very closely associated with Go Waterless as a founder partner. So briefly, this is my introduction.
Yeah, Shrikant, I'm sure this is very important, for any business to have a smart brains behind their, business. And I'm sure you're one of them. So yes, I would like to play one video for our viewers so that they understand why the company has selected, waterless technique for washing the car. Yeah. So it will give them the better understanding.
Sure.
So here we go.
अपनी कार को पानी से धोना बंद करें। क्या आप जानते हैं, नीति आयोग की रिपोर्ट के अनुसार भारत के पास विश्व में मौजूद शुद्ध पानी का केवल 4% ही उपलब्ध है। भारत में 60 करोड़ लोग पानी की कमी की गंभीर समस्या का सामना करते हैं। सुरक्षित पीने योग्य पानी की अपर्याप्त पहुंच एवं स्वच्छता की कमी के कारण हर साल 2 लाख लोगों की मौत हो जाती है। 2040 तक भारत में 90% जनता के पास पीने योग्य पानी नहीं बचेगा। यह एक खतरनाक स्थिति है। क्या आप जानते हैं, पानी की बर्बादी का एक प्रमुख कारण कार धोना है। एक कार धोने पर 150 से 200 लीटर पानी बर्बाद होता है। अब आप कार धोने पर पानी की जबरदस्त खपत की कल्पना कर सकते हैं। यह अविश्वसनीय है। जब इस पानी को बचाया जाएगा तो यह देश के प्रत्येक नागरिक की प्यास बुझाने के लिए पर्याप्त है। अब सवाल उठता है, बिना पानी के हम अपनी कार कैसे धो सकते हैं? उत्तर सरल है, गो वाटरलेस। गो वाटरलेस पानी के उपयोग के बिना आपकी कार को साफ करने के लिए एक इको फ्रेंडली सॉल्यूशन है। इसमें कोई केमिकल नहीं मिलाया जाता है। यह पूरी तरह से पौधों पर आधारित उत्पाद है और 100% पर्यावरण के लिए फायदेमंद है। अब आपके पास कार धोने के लिए पानी के बदले विकल्प है। अधिक योगदान दें।
जी श्रीकांत जी, हमने वीडियो देखा और समझ आया कि हाँ क्यों इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारे लिए कि वाटरलेस टेक्निक यूज करना। वी नो देयर इज स्कैरसिटी ऑफ वाटर एंड हाउ वी कैन मिनिमाइज द यूसेज ऑफ वाटर सो दैट we can serve our nature. I'll say that I want to know from you about the brand in detail so that our viewers will get the clarity. Yeah,
sure, जरूर मैं बताना चाहूंगा इसके बारे में। काफी इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी रहा है। Go Waterless as a brand, Go Waterless is a trademark brand under the bigger umbrella of Revolution Ventures Private Limited. Now we have also kind of trademarked this what you can say, the name of the company also as not Revolution, as Revolution, because we want to bring that wow factor from a customer perspective. This actually is a brainchild of a very close friend and buddy of mine, Mr. Nitin Sharma, who is the CEO and the founder of our company, where he came up with this concept out of a problem which he had been facing. वो खुद एक कार केयर बिजनेस में है, उनके खुद के ऑटोमोटिव सर्विस सेंटर्स हैं और काफी सारे कार केयर रिलेटेड बिजनेस वर्टिकल्स में एज ए फैमिली ओन बिजनेस कई सालों से काम कर रहे हैं। तो ये प्रॉब्लम जब उन्हें फेस हुआ कि दैट जब पानी की किल्लत और पानी का जो प्रॉब्लम उनके नेटिव प्लेस में जब उन्हें ये फेस होने लगा, अपने कस्टमर्स को जब वो सर्विस देते हैं गाड़ियों का, अगर उसको क्लीन करने के लिए अगर पानी की उपलब्धि और पानी की अवेलेबिलिटी का जो चैलेंज है,
जी।
वो चैलेंज को लेके उन्होंने फिर सोचा कि ये चैलेंज परमानेंटली कैसे इसको ओवरकम किया जाए, ना सिर्फ मेरे लिए बट इसको आगे एक 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 मूवमेंट के जैसे कैसे लेके आए, एक मिशन कैसे क्रिएट करें यहाँ से. दैट्स वेयर दिस एंटायर concept or thought process of bringing this solution to
Achha.
eliminate usage and wastage of water for car cleaning got started. And he spent more than 2 years in doing a very detailed research and development on the product with various people, the technocrats, and various kind of experiments being done on this product in different environment, different vehicles. So after a lot of iteration, फिर ये फाइनल प्रोडक्ट डेवलप हुआ और इसको एक कॉन्सेप्ट के जैसे हमने लॉन्च किया, ना कि इसको एक इजियर रूट होता कि एक रिटेल मार्केट में एक प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च कर दें, ठीक है. सो ऐसा करने के बजाय हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना ऐसा करें कि इसको एक बिजनेस मॉडल दिया जाए और एक सर्विस ऑफरिंग अगर कस्टमर को मिले तो इसमें काफी सारी चीजें, ना सिर्फ पानी बचेगा, हम एक एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी भी क्रिएट करेंगे, लोगों को एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने का एक मौका भी देंगे, एंड प्लस उनके साथ जो कार केयर सर्विस क्रू भी होगा उनके लिए भी एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट करेंगे. सो इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ क्रिएटिंग विन-विन सिनेरियो फॉर एवरीबॉडी, फॉर द कंपनी, फॉर द कस्टमर, फॉर द फ्रेंचाइजी एंड फॉर द एम्प्लॉइज ऑल्सो. सो ये कुछ सोच के एक पूरा का पूरा एक कॉन्सेप्ट डेवलप किया गया अराउंड दिस थॉट प्रोसेस ऑफ गो वाटरलेस. So we are working towards bringing a very detailed, wide range of service offerings under this vertical. Already there are 10 different offerings under the Go Waterless brand umbrella itself. So in brief, we started this journey in October 2019 in the form of company formation. The first franchisee got started from Nagpur city, which is our central hub, in November 2019. And since then, in this entire, in fact, pandemic period, we had been working and we had been growing very rapidly. Already there are 58 franchisees pan-India. We have done a lot of work.
कह सकते हैं जब कंट्री मतलब एक टफ सिचुएशन से जूझ रही थी, लाइक 2019 आपने स्टार्ट किया, 2020 हमारे पास पैंडेमिक हम देख चुके थे, बिजनेस शट डाउन हो रही थी, उस समय कंपनी ने बर्थ लिया और इतनी सारी फ्रेंचाइजीज, यू सेड दैट यू हैव मोर देन 50 प्लस फ्रेंचाइजीज. विल टॉक अबाउट मोर ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. बट अभी मेरे पास एक सवाल है कि व्हाई चूजिंग गो वाटरलेस इज अ गुड आइडिया इफ आई टॉक अबाउट फ्रेंचाइजी अपॉर्चुनिटी. ये कैसे एक बेहतरीन आइडिया है हमारे बिजनेस सीकर्स के अगर जानना चाहें तो बताएं. मैं
वेरी वैलिड क्वेश्चन. तो यहाँ पे मैं एक एंटरप्रेन्योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बोलना चाहूंगा कि जब कोई एक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जर्नी शुरू करता है तो उससे रिलेटेड जो डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस होता है उसमें कई चीजें, फैक्टर्स दिमाग में चलती हैं जो कंसिडर करना जरूरी है कि हम अपने बिजनेस के थ्रू क्या टारगेट कस्टमर को सर्व करना चाहते हैं. तो उसके लिए हमारे लिए क्या है टारगेट कस्टमर की जो भी गाड़ियां, एंड खास करके गाड़ियों में भी अगर देखा जाए तो कार का पॉपुलेशन, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ ह्यूज पॉपुलेशन ऑफ कार्स इन आवर कंट्री एंड इट इज ग्रोइंग एवरी डे, राइट? Even today, if you see the just sheer numbers, there are more than 20 crore cars on road which is running, right? So we are talking about target customers, also at the same time, the same market size and market potential. Potential बहुत ज्यादा है ये सेगमेंट में, क्योंकि हम एक अगर डेमोग्राफिकली देखा जाए तो इंडिया सब कॉन्टिनेंट एक ऐसा है कि जहाँ पे एक एटमॉस्फेरिक एनवायरनमेंट जो है वो ह्यूमिड और डस्टी रहेगा हमेशा, और जहाँ पे कार क्लीनिंग एक नेसेसरी सर्विस, एसेंशियल सर्विस होना चाहिए और होते ही रहेगा आगे, और ये ग्रो करता ही रहेगा इसी तरीके से. ये मार्केट को सर्व करने के लिए अगर देखा जाए तो मेजरली अभी डोमिनेटेड है एक अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड प्लेयर्स के द्वारा. इससे अगर हम एक प्रोफेशनल अप्रोच लेके आए, यूनिकनेस लेके आए, तो यहाँ पे आप जब अपॉर्चुनिटी देख रहे हो एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, तो आपको ये भी देखना है कि मार्केट साइज, मार्केट पोटेंशियल, टारगेट कस्टमर के अलावा बिजनेस आइडिया में कितना यूनिकनेस है. हमारा बिजनेस आइडिया का यूनिकनेस है कि दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट डोर स्टेप सर्विस टू द कस्टमर. कस्टमर को कहीं बाहर निकलने की जरूरत नहीं है और उसको डोर स्टेप पे ही प्रोफेशनल सर्विसेज हम कैसे प्रोवाइड करें.
Okay. अच्छा, मतलब अगर मैं ऑफिस में हूँ तो हम आपकी टीम आके हमारे यहाँ पे कार वॉश करके जाएगी. I don't have to come.
No, not at all. Whether you are in office, whether you are at your home, wherever. So our team would come there and we would be serving the customer. Okay. Besides this, also importantly, जब आप कोई एक बिजनेस आइडिया को सुनते हैं, देखते हैं, आप उससे जुड़ने के लिए एक बड़ा एक जो बोलते हैं एक मिशन या कॉज अगर होगा, so automatically the buy-in is of course much more stronger when you know that we are impacting a social cause and for the future generation.
Yeah.
So the common mission, when everybody is working towards a common mission, obviously the emotional attachment is much more stronger for the cause. And also when it is making a lot more business sense along with a very innovative product, we are talking about not even using a single drop of water, and at the same time giving a quality or output of cleaning which is at least 3 to 5 times superior than a water based cleaning process technically also.
Okay.
और कस्टमर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखा जाए तो वैल्यू फॉर मनी, तो वो कंपटीशन अगर देखें कि जो जिस तरह से अभी गाड़ी क्लीन करके लेता है ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज टू सेम प्राइस पॉइंट, अगर उसको उससे बेहतर सर्विस मिले तो ऑब्वियसली कस्टमर वुड वांट टू हैव ए मोर प्रोफेशनल एंड बेटर सर्विस. सो ये सब फैक्टर कंसिडर करेंगे तो आप देखेंगे कि कस्टमर, मार्केट, यूनिकनेस ऑफ द बिजनेस आइडिया, प्रोडक्ट, plus the bigger cause what we are serving, all of these reasons and much more, I would put together that why one should go for Go Waterless. Plus, while you are making a decision, any person, while you are making a decision for getting started as a franchisee, what you can expect from us, from a company, what are the USPs of the entire opportunity. आपका जो startup investment है बहुत ही कम है, बहुत ही कम. It is only 4 lakhs plus GST. ऑल्सो आपको अगर एज ए फ्रेंचाइजी शुरू करेंगे तो यहाँ पे हम 10-in-1 बिजनेस मॉडल बोल रहे हैं, मतलब मल्टीपल स्ट्रीम्स ऑफ इनकम. सिर्फ एक स्ट्रीम ऑफ इनकम नहीं है, सिर्फ कार क्लीनिंग की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. इसमें कार क्लीनिंग है, कार डिटेलिंग है, सैनिटाइजेशन है, इंश्योरेंस है, काफी सारी चीजें हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज मल्टीपल स्ट्रीम ऑफ इनकम व्हाट वन कैन वर्क टुवर्ड्स. ऑल्सो इंटरेस्टिंगली जब कोई फ्रेंचाइजी लेता है, जब हम फ्रेंचाइजी वे ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस की बात करते हैं, तो टिपिकली revenue sharing and royalty, most of them, more than 90% of the business owners, they would want to have a revenue sharing and a royalty given by the franchisee. So that means it is typically more like I win you lose kind of scenario. Here we are talking about a win-win scenario, जहाँ पे कंपनी के लिए भी फायदा है और जो फ्रेंचाइजी लेगा उनके लिए भी फायदा है.
जी, आपके सेक्टर में अगर मैं देखूं कार वॉश में अभी बहुत सारे बिग प्लेयर्स भी हैं मार्केट में. लाइक इफ आई टॉक अबाउट स्पीड कार वॉश, ऑटो स्पा, 3M कार केयर, these are the existing players. They are also giving franchisee. If you just explain me how you are different and distinguish yourself from the existing players, so it will give the clarity. Yeah.
Okay, I was expecting this question because when we talk about competition, अच्छा इसमें थोड़ा वापस अगर हम डिटेल्स में जाएं तो एक इसको एज अ सेक्टर कंसिडर करते हैं. जब हम कार क्लीनिंग प्रोसेस की बात करते हैं, टोटल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द मार्केट साइज, more than 90%, I would say 95% is served by unorganized players. ये पूरा का पूरा सेक्टर जो है कार क्लीनिंग और कार केयर बिजनेस का, ये एक अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर है, डोमिनेटेड बाय अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड प्लेयर. हमने यहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी देखा कि इसको ऑर्गेनाइज तरीके से कैसे बेटर करें. ओके, और हमने ये सोचा कि हमको पूरा का पूरा पाई नहीं चाहिए. अगर हम टोटल मार्केट साइज देखें ऑफ 23 करोड़ कार्स, आउट ऑफ 23 करोड़ कार्स, इवन इफ यू आर एबल टू टैप 1 or 2%, दैट मींस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मोर देन 20 to 30 lakh cars to be served on an ongoing basis. That itself is a huge volume. If we can tap that itself is a great achievement. Okay.
जी.
Now let's look at how we have created our business model. इसको थोड़ा डिटेल में समझने की कोशिश करते हैं मार्केटिंग पर्सपेक्टिव. एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग, हमने हमारा खुद का एक माइक्रो निश क्रिएट किया है. ओके, within the niche of professional car care service, we have created our own micro niche of a waterless and doorstep car care service, which is our own blue ocean strategy. जहाँ पे there are other competitions also who are fighting for the same piece of cake. We are creating our own segment and sector in a micro niche manner. Okay, so per se, actually speaking, we don't consider other players as our competition because they operate from a stores format. Number one, इसका मतलब कस्टमर को अपनी गाड़ियां स्टोर पे लेके जानी पड़ेगी.
अच्छा जी.
So that itself defeats the purpose of providing that convenience to customer, where we are differentiating कि that आपको कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं, हम तो आपके दरवाजे पे आके आपको सर्विस देंगे. That is one biggest differentiator.
Okay.
Second is the other players, आपने जिनके नाम लिए हैं, those other players more or less they are operating in a single source of income format. We are talking about 10-in-1 multiple source of income. For the franchisee, they do not need to be dependent on only one single source. You can serve the customers in 10 different ways and continue to earn money at the same time simultaneously.
Can you name them, like 5 sources?
Sure. One is waterless car cleaning, of course we know. Similarly, we have micro detailing service which can be provided at doorstep. Third is the sanitization service, be it car or residential space or office or factory, wherever. Sanitization service, again, in the pandemic scenario, this is a very strongly and largely growing segment and vertical. Then we are getting started with insurance service, be it life, be it vehicle, various types of insurance service. Again at customers' convenience at doorstep, we'll be providing. We are
Okay.
getting started with car care service at doorstep. ये कोई प्रोवाइड नहीं करता है, सर्विस सेंटर में लेके जाना पड़ता है. सर्विस सेंटर में भी देखा जाए तो मेजॉरिटी मोर देन 70 to 80% वो एक रूटीन सर्विसिंग होता है, उसमें मेजर पार्ट रिप्लेसमेंट्स नहीं होते हैं.
जी.
बेसिक कंज्यूमेबल्स जो हैं, ऑयल चेंज, ब्रेक पैड चेंज, फिल्टर चेंज, वो सब चीजें डोर स्टेप पे भी हो सकती हैं कस्टमर के कन्वीनियंस को अगर देखा जाए तो. हम ये सर्विस स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. बिसाइड्स दैट वी आर गेटिंग स्टार्टेड विद पेस्ट कंट्रोल, टैंक क्लीनिंग सर्विस, ऑफिस क्लीनिंग सर्विस. We are coming up with our own another vertical, which is opposite to 180-degree opposite to Go Waterless, which is Go Water. That means the water which is being saved. We are also getting started with this format of providing packaged drinking water.
Acha.
So many things, options in the same franchisee fee. One can get all this 10-in-1 business model.
Okay, so these are the differentiator, if I say, from the existing
absolutely.
that Waterless is having. Okay, अब मुझे ये भी जानना है कि financials, अगर कोई फ्रेंचाइजी लेना चाहता है तो उनको कितना इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा and उनको कितना रिटर्न में मिलेगा. What is the term period for the agreement? These are the very important questions that I want to know, Shrikant, from you. Yeah.
Sure. The franchisee fee to get started for anyone is as low as 4 lakhs plus GST. Now, how this is possible? This is possible because there are no major overheads. The business model is such that we have created a very frugal business model, which is asset light. You need not have very expensive equipment or furniture or machinery or a leased or rented space. None of this is required. So straight away, we are cutting out all the expenses or costs which might run into lakhs and lakhs of rupees for any store-based format. Okay. So within this 4 lakhs plus GST also, there are lot many things which gets covered for any franchisee to get started and continue to operate. Additionally, what franchisee would get, the agreement period is not for 3 years or 5 years. We are talking about a 10 years agreement period. Also, there is no additional charges or fees even for renewal subsequently. Okay. As I said, I would repeat, there is no revenue sharing or royalty sharing. मतलब आपने फ्रेंचाइजी शुरू किया तो आप जो रेवेन्यू कमाओगे, जो प्रॉफिट होगा, सब आपको कंपनी के साथ कुछ शेयर नहीं करना है.
ओके, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर, मतलब अगर पॉइंट देखा जाए तो है, जहाँ पे हम रेवेन्यू वी आर नॉट शेयरिंग विद द कंपनी. एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कॉस्ट एक बड़ा कॉस्ट है जो इस फ्रेंचाइजी अपॉर्चुनिटी में अगर देखूं तो नहीं है. ओके, सो श्रीकांत जी हमारे साथ अभी कुछ व्यूअर्स ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं एंड दे हैव फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. लेट मी एड्रेस देम. या
श्योर.
Shupam has joined from, so hi, thank you for joining us. Stay connected with us and I will share the details with you. Connected with us till the end so that you will get to know each and everything, like how they are supporting their franchisees and what are the success stories they have, what are the ideal franchisee required. Then Krishna Sagar has also joined. Yes, Krishna, thank you for showing your interest. Please share your contact details so that our team will reach out to you and explain you the process in a better way. Kritika Singh has also joined. Hi Kritika, stay connected with us. I'll answer all your questions in the next slide where we have the Q&A section we have kept separately for that. So I welcome all our viewers. Thank you for joining. Yes, Shrikant.
Yeah.
So we're talking about the financial part.
Yeah. So when we talk about financials, also it is important to understand that कि जब हम कोई बिजनेस डिसीजन लेते हैं तो एक थॉट प्रोसेस होता है. जरूरी है कि एक तो इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट स्टार्टअप कैपिटल कितना है, एंड सेकंड थिंग इज दैट ये स्टार्टअप कैपिटल के साथ एसोसिएटेड एक चीज होता है जिसको हम बोलते हैं आरओआई या पे बैक पीरियड.
अच्छा.
इट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि हम, क्योंकि एक बिजनेस मॉडल ही थोड़ा फ्रूगल है, इनिशियल स्टार्टअप कैपिटल कम है, तो उसलिए आपको आरओआई या पे बैक भी सालों नहीं लगने वाले हैं. आप टिपिकली देखेंगे कि जहां पे आपको कोई दूसरा कोई स्टोर बेस्ड फॉर्मेट है जहां पे आपको एटलीस्ट 20-25 लाख रुपए इनिशियल इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ता है, आपका पे बैक भी 4-5 साल के बाद होगा. That means you are always running on losses for those 4-5 years. Here we are talking about getting started with 4 lakhs plus GST. The payback is as low as 7 to 8 months. Yes, I would repeat, in 7 to 8 months, the complete payback, whatever is being put in the form of money in the initial capital, plus the operational overheads, whatever might be there, the minuscule expenses, whatever, all of these is getting recovered. To be more precise, if you actually go through our detailed financial projections, in the first quarter itself, पहले 3 महीने में ही आपका ऑपरेशनल प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी आ जाता है. मतलब पहले 3 महीने में ही, अगर
3 महीने में आ जाएगा.
हाँ, 3 महीने में ही ऑपरेशनल प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी पूरी तरीके से आ जाएगा. और ज्यादा से ज्यादा थर्ड क्वार्टर, मतलब 7 से 8 महीने में पूरा का पूरा इनिशियल अमाउंट 4 lakhs plus GST plus the operational expenses, all this gets recovered. Business becomes cash cow.
Wow.
I'll tell you one more important aspect here. when we are talking about customers are also two categories. One is one time cleaning and second is a monthly subscription format. The beauty is that when we talk about a monthly subscription format, the effort and time being put for customer acquisition is only one time. Once the customer is onboarded, आप उसको continuously serve कर रहे हो. That means you can imagine how powerful this is.
yes, I can say that. तो अगर मैं financially देखूं तो ये बहुत ही viable model है जो कोई भी select कर सकता है in terms of initial investment, royalty share नहीं करनी है, आपको return जल्दी मिल रहा है, तो of course I think Go Waterless is a good option in automotive category. So yes, Krishna has shared their contact number. Please stay connected with us and understand the model thoroughly, Krishna. Yes, so let's move to the next slide. I want to know कि आपके success stories के बारे में, ताकि हमारे viewers को और confidence मिलेगा कि कैसे उन्होंने सक्सेस गेन किया है. बिफोर दैट इफ यू कैन लेट मी नो व्हाट विल बी द आइडियल फ्रेंचाइजी प्रोफाइल. जो आपके फ्रेंचाइजी लेना चाहते हैं उनके क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स है आपकी तरफ से, अगर मैं बोलूं एजुकेशन, बैकग्राउंड, टाइम, स्किल सेट्स के बारे में. जी.
Okay, this is a very very important question and an interesting one. I would like to also answer this question in a slightly different way. आपको स्लाइड में जो तो 4 बुलेट पॉइंट्स दिख रहे हैं, एजुकेशन, बैकग्राउंड, टाइम एंड स्किल्स, इसमें से सिर्फ टाइम फैक्टर को अगर साइड में रखें तो बाकी 3 जो चीजें हैं इसमें कोई बंधन नहीं है.
अच्छा जी.
ओके, वी आर नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग एनी स्पेसिफिक एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड. दैट मीन्स कि इतना क्वालिफाइड होना चाहिए, ये सर्टिफिकेशन होना चाहिए, नथिंग मैटर्स.
ओके.
ऑटोमोटिव का बैकग्राउंड होना जरूरी है क्या? जरूरी नहीं है, क्योंकि हमने जो बिजनेस मॉडल ही इस तरह से बनाया है उसको मेजरली उसको डी स्किल्स किया है. आपको बहुत ज्यादा कुछ स्किल और ज्यादा नॉलेज की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट समझना है. आपको हमने जो प्रोसेस सेट किया है वो प्रोसेस समझना है, वो प्रोसेस को जस्ट इंप्लीमेंट और फॉलो करना है. ओके.
अच्छा जी.
Similarly, when we talk about skills, as I said, that this is something which is very de-skilled way of working, wherein whatever basic skills is required, we will ensure that जो training और certification चाहिए आपके cleaning और working staff के लिए वो हम provide करेंगे. That means the company will provide that. Okay. ये 4 में से जो थर्ड नंबर है टाइम का, इसको मैं थोड़ा एम्फसाइज करना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ए बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी, बी इट फ्रेंचाइजी, बी इट स्टार्टअप, और यू टेक एनी डैम बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी, उसके लिए समय और मेहनत, ये 2 चीज जो है ये नॉन नेगोशिएबल होता है. आप कोई भी बिजनेस करने का सोचेंगे तो उसमें टाइम और एफर्ट देना जरूरी है. आप अगर सोचें कि ये कोई एक इन्वेस्टमेंट मैकेनिज्म है, मैं जहाँ पे पैसे लगा दूं तो अपने आप ग्रो होगा, नहीं होगा. Okay. So an investment-based model is something very different. A business opportunity is very different. Here we are talking about a business opportunity, right? So time and effort is something which needs to be put by every franchisee out there. And last thing on this slide, I would like to mention, more than skill, what is required is the will part.
Okay.
We focus and emphasize more while we are selecting and evaluating any franchisee. We look at the will, because skill is something which is easier to transfer. वो हम ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं.
हाँ जी.
लेकिन will जो है वो किसी को ट्रांसफर करना मुश्किल होता है. Will is something which is more inherent. If you see, okay, when we are going the subsequent discussion on the success stories, I would like to talk more on that. Yeah.
Okay. So we have one viewer who has joined us and she has a question. Stay connected, Aisha, and I'll answer that questions which you have. Please stay connected. We have one viewer from Bangladesh also. I welcome you in this webinar and thank you for joining, Reza from Bangladesh. Thank you. Okay, so the support system. I want Shrikant to explain me more about this slide where we are talking about the 500 car wash materials that you will provide in that kit or in that 4 lakhs. So can you just elaborate this?
Sure, I will elaborate on this. So when we talk about from a support system, obviously whenever any person, any individual gets started as a franchisee, they are little skeptical कि भाई मेरी शुरुआत कैसे होगी, कैसे support मिलेगा company से and all that. And we play a very important and vital role, जहाँ पे हमारा एक detailed एक induction program है. वो induction program के through हम ensure करते हैं कि कोई भी नया franchisee है उसका onboarding जिस तरह से होगा, उसका handholding जिस तरह से होगा, सब कुछ स्मूथली हो एंड उनका ऑपरेशनल एकदम अच्छी तरीके से स्टार्ट हो जाए और एस्टैब्लिश हो जाए. तो ये सब कंपनी अच्छी तरीके से इंश्योर करता है अपने प्रोसेस में. इसमें देखा जाए तो कोई भी बिजनेस में 2 फैक्टर होते हैं. एक होता है फ्रंट एंड, दूसरा होता है बैक एंड. जी. ओके, तो फ्रंट एंड में मेनली क्या है? फ्रंट एंड में है कस्टमर एक्विजिशन एंड कस्टमर रिटेंशन. कोई भी बिजनेस में ये 2 चीज चाहिए होते हैं. तो कस्टमर एक्विजिशन एंड रिटेंशन करने के लिए जो भी सपोर्ट चाहिए इन टर्म्स ऑफ ब्रांडिंग, एडवर्टाइजिंग, मार्केटिंग, प्रमोशन, ये सब चीज में कंपनी पूरी तरीके से सपोर्ट करता है, भले वो सोशल मीडिया या डिजिटल मार्केटिंग प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू हो या फिर ऑफलाइन मार्केटिंग या ट्रेडिशनल मार्केटिंग हम जो बोलते हैं, बाय रनिंग लोकल कैंपेन्स, इवेंट्स इन योर लोकेलिटी, ऑल दोस थिंग्स वी वुड प्रोवाइड whatever is required for that. That is the front end part. ठीक है, तो जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं कि 10,000 pamphlets, visiting cards, digital marketing support, social media creatives, all of this is from a customer acquisition and retention point of view. Okay,
जी जी
handy signboards, flexes, banners and all that. Okay, so to create that buzz and visibility for you. Now looking at the back end part, for you to run the operation, काम करने के लिए आपको मटेरियल चाहिए और लोग चाहिए
जी
As far as the manpower is concerned, manpower is something which you will have to recruit and maintain. We will again provide the support in terms of training and certifying them. Okay. When it comes to the material again, company would be providing you whatever is required. Initially, when you are getting started, आपको कुछ extra cost pay नहीं करना है. 4 lakhs plus GST में सब कुछ included है, जिसमें आपको 500 गाड़ियां गोवाटरलेस क्लीनिंग प्रोसेस के थ्रू क्लीन करने के लिए जो भी कुछ चाहिए, वो पूरा किट, वो पूरा मटेरियल, कंज्यूमेबल सब कुछ मिलेगा. Okay. तो मटेरियल ऑल्सो इज बीन टेकन केयर, प्लस उसके अलावा अगले 2 वर्टिकल जो है, सैनिटाइजेशन करने के लिए जो कंज्यूमेबल और मशीनरी चाहिए वो आपको मिलेगा, डिटेलिंग सर्विस प्रोवाइड करने के लिए जो इक्विपमेंट और जो कंज्यूमेबल्स चाहिए वो मिलेगा. तो ये सब चीजें आपको इमीडिएटली राइट फ्रॉम डे वन यू कैन गेट स्टार्टेड विद ऑल दीज 3 वर्टिकल्स, राइट. कार क्लीनिंग सर्विस, detailing service, sanitization service. Matlab, out of 10, 3 immediately get started. The remaining 7 get started slowly once you gain that traction by running the business.
ओके, सो आई थिंक ये बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस सीकर्स का एक चैलेंज होता है कि कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे, उसके बाद आगे आगे कैसे बढ़ना है. तो अगर मैं देखूं इन स्लाइड में तो आप बहुत ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे में उन्होंने आपने प्लान किया हुआ है अपने फ्रेंचाइजीज के साथ कैसे काम करना है. एंड दिस इज व्हाट बिलीव मी बिजनेस सीकर वांटेड व्हेनेवर दे आर आस्किंग अस द क्वेश्चन, and this is really nice. So we have one more viewer who have joined us and he also have a question. Kamran, so thank you for joining and please stay connected with us till the end. I will answer your question. Yeah, and we have Shrikant. He is the expert. He will definitely answer all the doubts that you have. Yeah. So let's move to the next slide, Shrikant, where I think we are going to talk about the success stories. Like you have your existing franchisee. What are the success elements that they are using, and that's why they are doing and growing with Go Waterless? I want to know.
Surely. When we are talking about how the business got started, I briefed about in the beginning that interestingly the entire journey got started, which was overlapping with the pandemic, lockdown, these kind of challenges.
Yeah.
And this was actually a litmus test for us as an organization, as a startup. And to even our surprise, we had grown phenomenally during this pandemic period itself. And there are so many success stories to talk about because the business model is so unique. And the people who got started with the trust on the brand, with the trust on the product, and they have actually seen rave results coming in and the customer feedbacks and responses also complementing that. Here, what you are seeing on the slide is just a few of our locations existing right from extreme north, from Jammu and associated places like Jammu, Hoshiarpur, Samba, Udhampur, all these places, Mr. Abhay, Mr. Vikramjit, all these, Mr. Munir, they are doing fabulous job out there in the extreme north. Even if you go far east, right? People from Siliguri, Mr. Pratik, Dibrugarh is an extreme end in Assam, right? Which is almost like one extreme far end of our country. Mr. Rupam, he is doing a brilliant work out there. In fact, through our Dibrugarh franchise outlet, we have got references for our overseas potential franchisee requirements from Australia, from Canada, from Kenya, from Middle East. There are so many inquiries for franchisee coming from the other parts of the continent also. Okay. Again, similarly, if you see in metros like Delhi and as well as Pune, Mr. Anuj from Pune, he is our youngest franchisee. He is only 19 years old, by the way.
Okay, 19-year entrepreneur. Oh.
Yeah. So we have got immense success stories, and in fact, he has got some of the most premium customers being served by him from Pune. Even customers who have very high-end supercars like Lamborghinis and Ferraris, which are being served by us. So these are some of the success stories. Now coming to what are the success factors? इन लोगों को successful होने में क्या चीजें इन्होंने किया या जिसके ऊपर काम किया जिसकी वजह से इनको success मिला? Which includes increase in and expanding and focusing towards expanding the customer base. Obviously, when customer base is increasing, the business volume is also growing. Business volume from a one-time cleaning perspective, from a uh, subscription-based perspective. Now, because while they are doing this, even in the pandemic period, they immediately looked into not only from a car cleaning perspective, what other verticals can also be simultaneously worked on. So they picked up sanitization related service. They learned it quickly, and they started implementing. And again, customers were super happy, and which had helped them to really make a lot of money and gain fast ROI. In fact, they made their ROI in less than 5 to 6 months. And while doing all of these, profitability had also been achieved for them, and customers were highly satisfied. Now, because the customers were highly satisfied, subsequently, what had happened in this process, the franchisees, they started growing. They started believing in the business model in a big way. Also, at the same time, while they're doing this, interestingly, they referred more franchisee to get started. So one franchisee led to another. That's how we had been growing organically more rather than inorganically.
या श्रीकांत जी, जैसे हम बात कर रहे थे आपसे, तो आपने बताया दे आर रेफरिंग देयर रिलेटिव्स आल्सो, क्योंकि उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी इतनी अच्छी लगी है.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ, तो कुछ अच्छी चीज होती है तो हम शेयर करते हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिलीज के साथ. Yeah.
Yes.
So the few questions we are getting from viewers, Shrikant, and I would like to address you all those questions. Before that, I have a question that I want to know: has the turnover, has turnover and profitability been aligned with during this pandemic? How this is aligned in this tough time, the business model and the franchise model. Yeah.
As I said, that the entire journey for Go Waterless had been very promising. In the pandemic period, we had seen immense growth happening. And when it comes to turnover and profitability, as I said, that I gave a few examples previously of our existing franchisee who are really doing good. And all of them, the franchisees which were listed in the previous slide, around 7-8, they have completely become a cash cow, and they have recovered whatever money they had put in. So that means in terms of profitability, in terms of payback period, I would say pandemic is more of a state of mind rather than a challenge or situation outside. While majority of businesses or people might have considered this as a challenge, we looked at this as more of an opportunity, and we had continued serving our customers in whichever best way possible. We had adopted and accommodated and adjusted ourselves to this entire environment or challenge, and we tapped the opportunity which is there outside.
Okay, so it's completely aligned, and I think आपने tough time में ही अपने business को और grow किया. You have added 50 franchises in in the last year, which was the toughest year for all the business makers, and I think yes, it is properly aligned based on that example, if I say.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the next slide where I have a question that I want to know: what is the ongoing working capital required for business seekers if they are taking Go Waterless franchisee?
Okay. So working capital can be split into two minor elements. One would be in the form of salary, what you would be paying to the cleaning crew. Initially, we recommend to get started with only 2 people, and that too part-time. And that is a ratio which we have established based on the customer base, how it is increasing, your manpower base accordingly. In that ratio, you can keep on adding accordingly.
Okay.
So that way,
Yeah, Shrikant. I think there is some technical glitches that is coming from Shrikant's side. We lost his voice. So of course, we would like to address all our viewers. Just stay connected. There is some technical glitches. So we are presenting franchisee opportunity every alternative day. And you can stay connected with us for other different franchisee opportunities. Like today we are talking about automotive franchisee, and it is very important for you to go through all the process in one go and understand which model will suit your brand, which will suit you actually. So yes, I'm just waiting for Shrikant to join once again. And yes, this is a very best if I talk about the opportunity in automobile, where you can see that how they are saving water, because we know that there's scarcity of water and we have to protect the environment. That's how they have started this Go Waterless business, and they are serving the clients. Yes, I'm just waiting for Shrikant to join us. And as he was explaining about the working capital that are required, for any business seekers who are taking Go Waterless franchisee, like salary of the crew members, and other salaries or other expenses are also there. So till the time Shrikant is joining back, I would like to address my viewers who have joined us. So Shrikant is back. Yes. Hi, Shrikant. I think there
Are
was
you
some
able to?
technical glitches. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry,
I was
apologies for
talking
that.
with my viewers about the working capital. So you please.
So is my video okay now?
It's perfect. Yeah.
Okay, apologies because of network issue, I got disconnected. Yeah, I was explaining about the working capital. The first element is the salary which is to be paid to the cleaning crew. Initially, you get started only with 2 people and that too part-time. That would keep your cost and expenses on the lower side. The second aspect of the working capital, which would be subsequent to the initial 500 vehicles material which we are providing, on an ongoing basis to serve, you have to just purchase the required material which is at a subsidized price for our franchisee, and the exclusive material, since it is our own intellectual property, the Go Hotel cleaning solution and plus the other consumables is something what we would be providing to the franchisee. There is a standard price list which each franchisee gets. They have to just place the order and the company would dispatch, and it should be received in less than 4 to 5 days through courier. So these are the only two expenses. Otherwise, there are no major overheads and no other expenses involved.
Okay. I think our viewers got the idea that what are working capital required for in this. Yeah. So let's move to the next slide, Shrikant, and we have so many questions that are coming from the viewers. I would like to address all those questions. So let's move to the question that has come from LinkedIn user, that apart from manpower, after 500 car wash material is finished, I will show it on the screen so that you can also view. 500 car wash material is finished. How much is the cost to buy another 500 car wash material? I think this is a very, very good question that has come.
Yeah. As I said just before, that the material is something on an ongoing basis which you can procure. We are not kind of putting it sacrosanct in the form of package of a 500 cleaning or a number of kits. In fact, it is more like a la carte menu, because the consumption pattern would vary from franchisee to franchisee depending on how you're using. So we have a list of material which one can place as per the requirement. Maybe in terms of solution or microfiber cloth, whether it is any kind of static duster. It depends based on the usage and wear pattern. The needs would be different. So there is no, I would say, a fixed package which is there. The price list is something which would be available, which is very competitive as compared to the outside market, because we have our own vendors we have developed and we procure from them in bulk. So we pass on that price advantage, cost advantage to the franchisees also.
Okay. So I'm not able to see your name, but I hope you have got the answer, and Shrikant has explained it very well. Yeah, thank you for asking this question. Now the another LinkedIn user have one question. I'll show it to you. How much is the cost for each services? Is there any margin percentage sharing in the total cost? I think you have already answered. If you can just brief them, it will help.
Yeah, I will quickly brief. See, there are two aspects we need to understand. One is called as cost. The second is called as price. Cost is more something which is from a perspective of a franchisee, that what is the cost incurrence. If you convert this in the form of car wash, one car wash, the denominator, if you take as one car wash, the cost incurrence would be anything around 50 to 55 rupees maximum, which includes the material cost, labor cost, all put together. 55 to 60 rupees maximum is per cleaning service. And the price at what you will be charging to the customer would start, even on the lower side, it starts from 200 rupees for a single car wash, and it goes on the higher side to 400, 500 rupees, depending upon the size of the vehicle, whether it is hatchback or sedan or SUV or premium category. So that is from a cost and price perspective. And the second question is about the margin percentage sharing. As I said, that there is no revenue sharing with the company. Whatever money you make, you have to keep it for yourself.
Okay. So there's no margin that you have to share. Let's take the another question that we have from Aisha. Is the brand planning to open even in town or is limited to cities, Shrikant?
That's a very interesting and important question. In fact, we are expanding all over. There are no specific restrictions in terms of tier 1, tier 2 or tier 3 cities. very interestingly, majority of our success stories, in fact, from franchisee point of view, are coming from tier 2 and tier 3 cities.
Okay, okay. So Asha, they are open pan India, so there's no limitation, only for only some cities. Yeah. So if you are interested, share your phone number. We'll reach out to you and we'll explain the franchise model in a better way. So thank you, Aisha. And next question that has come from Krishna. Okay, so he is interested and he wanted us to provide him the detail. After this webinar, Krishna will share the details and we can have our one-on-one discussion where we'll explain about the Go Waterless franchise in detail. Right, Shrikant?
Sure, absolutely.
Okay, and just I'll take one more question that has come from Krishna only. Yeah, Karmanand, is the business ready for EVs as well? Shrikant.
Okay, this is very interesting. We are talking about EVs as...
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah.
So the question is that whether the business is ready for EV vehicles. Absolutely. See, we are talking about a car care service. Now, car's exterior is something it is primarily going to be same, whether it is a IC engine based vehicle or whether it is a electric vehicle. That is not going to change. Secondly, when we are talking about EVs coming into market, EVs are also going to be designed in a manner which is going to be from a user perspective. So all the necessary basic expectations and features in terms of safety, in terms of comfort, and what are the basic elements, those for any vehicle would remain same. The cleaning requirements, whether it is an EV or whether it is a hybrid or any petrol or diesel based vehicle, it is going to be remaining same. Whether it is the exterior surface, whether it is interior surface, those things are not going to change any which ways. Only it is changing is how the vehicle is going to run. Okay. Additionally, our concept being waterless, this also in a way is a added advantage, and from a safety perspective, that a water-based cleaning in an electric vehicle, the potential hazards maybe on the higher side for any kind of short circuits or thermal incidences being happening. Whereas since we are not using any water, this also a potential safety hazard is avoided. So I would say rather it is a bigger advantage.
Okay. So Kamran, I hope you have got the answer, and Shrikant has explained it very well. And let's move to the next slide where I think we have addressed all the questions that have come from the viewers. And still, if you are, watching this, please, Santosh has question just now. I'm reading this question for you, Shrikant. What is the total franchisee cost that has been asked by Santosh, Shrikant?
Yeah, I guess Santosh is asking the training with respect to the team.
Training part also, and he wanted to know the total cost as well.
Okay, I will answer both. So when it comes to training, yes, as I said, the training and confirming and validating your manpower, the entire skill and knowledge transfer will be done by our experts. Our expert will come down to your place. They will spend time with your crew, help them learn, train, gain confidence by doing certain demo sessions along with them, ensuring that the skill and knowledge transfer has happened properly. Then only our expert would leave after getting that confidence that your guys have got trained and skilled adequately. Now coming to the total franchise cost, the total franchise is only 4 lakhs plus GST. Okay, so that is the only initial capital what we are putting in. In this, you are getting 500 vehicles cleaning kit, you are getting a detailing kit, you are getting a sanitization kit to get started immediately. And plus the other 7 verticals which are getting launched very soon, you are not going to pay any additional franchise fee for that per se. Some minor fees would be applicable in terms of any kind of material or consumables or material cost per se, material or logistics cost which is involved. So this is all put together is going to be very added advantageous feature for you. You are getting access to 10 different streams of income.
Okay. Yeah, Santosh, so I hope you have got the answer. Thank you for asking this question. If you are interested, share me your contact details, or you can reach out to us. The number we have already, presented here in the slide. Okay, one more question that has come from, can we have master franchisee model which we can open in multiple locations?
Yes, in fact, we are open for master franchise model also. In that master franchise, all the specific details where the master franchise would be completely responsible and accountable for an entire city. We are open for master franchisee at a city level also and at a state level also. but we can take this offline. The discussion would be at a different level to understand that what is the projections, what is the kind of business model when it comes to master franchise. But putting it in simple terms, we are absolutely open for master franchise model also.
Yeah, so Kiran, Go Waterless is open for master franchisee. For understanding the models, you have to reach out to us, or you please share your details so that we can reach out to you. Yes. So I think we have covered all the maximum questions that have come from the viewers, and yeah. So again, I'll read out the phone number that we have. It is 9844443200. You can reach out to us. If you want to mail us, you can send your email at business@franchisebazaar.com, and even you can log into our website, that is www.franchisebazaar.com, so that we will have our detailed discussion, and we can explain you more about Go Waterless. We'll take Shrikant also if required, because he knows each and everything so well, and I will love to clear all your doubts so that it will be easy for you to take the decision. Because again, I'll say it's very, very important for you to understand each and everything, so that you will get the clarity and you can run the franchisee successfully. One more question has come, Shrikant. We are not able to leave.
No problem.
So Santosh has is saying he's interested. Please share the contact. Okay, awesome. Interested, please connect at this email ID. Okay, fine, Santosh, will share the details, as you have already shared your contact details with us. Thank you, Santosh. He has shared his phone number also. I'll reach out to you after this webinar, Santosh, for sure.
Right.
So finally, Shrikant, I want to you to please give our viewers one message, so that they can understand about the franchisee opportunities and how to tackle during this tough time, not only to the business seekers, or only to the franchises also.
Yeah, sure. I'll come to that. Before that, I guess there is one more question coming in from Kiran
Yes,
Jyoti.
yes. She has one more question, Kiran. Just one more question. You have app, whether it is chargeable from the franchisor.
No, we are not charging anything. We are taking the entire cost for whether it is app development, technology development, because it is imperative that it is a part of the business. We are not passing on any kind of additional cost burden to the franchisee or the customer as well.
Okay.
Okay, now coming to what you are asking me to share final words. See, putting it in very simple terms, as you guys are seeking for a business opportunity, while you are looking out, while you are evaluating various aspects, there might be pluses, there might be minuses. I'm not saying we are perfect in all the way, right? But yes, the most important factor which I want to emphasize is that, which is very close to my heart, is that the bigger mission what we are serving is to create an impact where we want to help save at least 1 trillion liter of water which otherwise is going waste. Let's understand the water crisis is very severe in our country. In tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, all these kind of cities, the cities are hitting ground zero. That means the water is completely getting dried up. This is a very grave situation. Now, what this is leading towards, more than 60 crore of our population are dealing with extreme water shortage. More than 2 lakh people in our country every year, they are dying because of not having access to safe and hygienic water. Only 4% of world's freshwater reserve, only 4% is available in India. Then we are talking about a serious problem. Through this initiative, we want to address that bigger cause in a way, so that we leave a good and important footprint for our future generations. At least let's take this as an opportunity where we can help our future generations by conserving and preserving this precious thing called as water. Let's not take it for granted. While doing this as a bigger cause, you are getting an opportunity from a business perspective where you can serve the customer. You can also see a lot of benefits for you in terms of financials, in terms of learning, what you will get, the growth opportunity, what you will have. So look at this more as a holistic picture. ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा opportunity होगा आपके लिए, आपके जर्नी में as an entrepreneur. मैं एक श्योरिटी और गारंटी जरूर दे सकता हूं कि आप बिजनेस शुरू करने के बाद आप 1 या 2 साल में आप देखेंगे कि आप खुद बोलेंगे कि ये आपका जीवन का सबसे अच्छा और महत्वपूर्ण डिसीजन रहा है.
I'm sure. So, Shrikant ji, thank you for sharing, all the details about Go वाटरलेस फ्रेंचाइजी अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड होप कि हमारे व्यूअर्स को क्लैरिटी मिल गई। एंड अगर फिर भी आपके पास कुछ डाउट है तो आप हमें रीच आउट कीजिए एंड स्टे कनेक्टेड विद अस व्यूअर्स फॉर द नेक्स्ट 68 बेस्ट फ्रेंचाइजी अपॉर्चुनिटी जो हम दिखा रहे हैं हर वीक ऑल्टरनेटिव डे आके। हमारे टीम मेंबर्स भी प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। आई एम कमिंग एवरी सैटरडे एट 12:30, so stay connected with us for the other best franchisee opportunities through a Franchise Bazaar platform. And I really thank you, Shrikant, for joining and giving your precious time to Franchise Bazaar and helping us understanding about Go Waterless franchisee opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Bandana, and thank you to the viewers. Thank you, Franchise Bazaar, for staying connected and spending time to understand this opportunity. We would be more than happy to have you on board. Most welcome. Looking forward to get connected with all of you in future. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you, Shrikant. Thank you, everyone.